Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Lovely, and today I have entry number 11. I have two other ones, so I am going to record those and get those edited as fast as I can. I do have other videos that I need to get out as well, kind of like showing you guys what I am sending to the second prize winner. So anyway, this right here is from Stacey Flynn. And I will make sure to have all her information linked down below. She does do YouTube videos. I do highly recommend watching her videos. And she also has an Instagram, so I will make sure to have all those linked down below. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box here and go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to make these videos quicker so that way I can not struggle editing them. Because the longer I take making videos, the longer it's going to be for me to get them out. So anyway. I know I talk a lot, but I can't help but share my feelings with y'all. Tell you guys how I really feel about everything, which is always good. Never bad stuff, but alright, let me see. So here is the side. So I see a tag here, and it's her little note. I think it just slid out right here. I'm kind of glad it didn't fall out, but she made a little tag, and she has the note, which again, I will read off camera, but I do love everybody's letters, so thank you guys for adding in cards or little tags with notes on them, because I am definitely going to be hanging these up and displaying them. So there is her little tag, and she has some confetti up in here. Let's see. I go ahead and open this bad boy up. Get all this out. Ooh, look at these. She added some like gold, I don't know, these are like kind of like crystals, the way that they're shaped. They're just gold, really pretty. Oh, and she got pink. Where did she get these? These are really cute. I wonder where she got these. These are really nice to add to some mail boxes. Look at all the garden party stuff, y'all. Look at, she made a 3D project, so that's exciting. Alright, so let me put this, or take these out. Okay, so I took it out of the cellophane bag so that way you guys wouldn't hear all of that, but she did such a wonderful job packaging it up. She made sure that the handle wouldn't get smushed, so she added some tissue paper in between the box and the handle. So alright, so that's how it looks, and it kept its shape. Really smart. Love that. So she does have a video on her YouTube channel, so I'll make sure, again, like I said, to leave her info down below. And on my community page I have the videos that had responses to my challenge on that community page. So all you have to do is go to my channel and click on community and you'll find it. I know I said that like 5 times. That word probably got annoying, but that's where it's at. So let me go ahead and I'm going to set this one aside and just go over these embellishments here. I did see this at the bottom of the box, so I'm not entirely sure where it was at, but it is a really pretty dangle piece that she made, and it has a bow charm at the end, and there's this little teacup as well. So those are at the bottom, but again, those might have been connected to something. I'm assuming it might have been on here. She had like multiples on here. Yeah, most likely. Let me, because it looks like there's just a little bit of a hole, yeah, for them to kind of slide out on. So let me put them back. So here is her bag topper. She has this like bow. Oh, sorry, it's all flying out. I don't want to lose anything. Okay, we'll just leave it off. She has this bow bag topper die. And she did some stitching and some inking of gold glitter on the edges here. And she made basically like this starburst embellishment and stuck it on top of the bow bag topper, which is a wonderful idea. I have this starburst die and the bag topper die, so that's a really fun idea for me to try out. So thank you, girl, for inspiring me on that. And she did just some puffy stickers, like embellishing with the puffy sticker, cardstock sticker, and chipboard. And then again, she has some dangles on the end and a bow paper clip that I think is just holding the bag topper in place, and she actually put it on top of a doily and a piece of pattern paper. So that is pretty cool. You just reuse it. That's a smart idea. So thank you for that, Stacy. I love that bag topper. That's really cute. And then these are some embellishments that she made out of either Q-tips, toothpicks, or like little skewers if she cut them off. But with how small they are, they might be toothpicks, but look how cute these are. Okay, so she made little flag embellishments, and again, they're really mini. I love how small these are. I don't know how she had the patience. I do like making small embellishments, but these are tiny. You can hear the baby, he's talking in the background. Look how small these are. I've seen larger ones, but I am definitely inspired to make some this size because these are really cute. I love how tiny they are. And she added pom-poms to the top. She has this like light blue one, and she has a dangle hanging on the end, and she has this one right here. And then this one, and she has them on like little glue dots. But they are very dimensional. Can you guys see all the foam tape she added? I love her stuff. So look at all of that. And she added, she even added some of the gold thread in the back. I haven't added thread to my projects in a while. I used to add it all the time, but I took a break from that. So I'm gonna put them back. But she even wrapped just the cardstock sticker with some gold thread. I don't know if y'all could see it, but it's so cute. I love it. I love how these turned out. So thank you, Stacy, for these. These are really cute. I love how those turned out. And then in here, so this is her little luggage accordion organizer for her embellishments. And she did a lot of gold stitching, and it looks so pretty on this paper. So I might have to switch out from pink to gold for the garden party collection, because this is just too pretty. I don't know where she got her gold thread from, but it is really nice. I do like it. It's a really pretty gold. So that's how that looks. And she has a little like badge, or yeah, like a prize ribbon embellishment, and she put a chipboard piece on top with a floral chipboard piece, and she added these like resin bows for the hand, what are those, like the closure for them, the sleeves to slip inside of it. I didn't want to say that, but whatever, I had to. But yeah, and then this is her info. So she has it printed, and she die cut it with a tag, or like a ticket die, and her info is right here. So it's smflynn23 for Instagram. YouTube is Stacey Flynn, and she does have an Etsy, and it's called Banners, Galore, and More. So check her out. Again, I'll have it all linked down below. I just love everything. It's so stitched. Oh, so stitched. It's so, it's stitched so nicely. I love it. It's so pretty. So I can't wait to showcase this. And she used the yellow and white striped pattern paper on the side. All right, so let's get inside. So she has two dividers in here, 3 sections. So the first one, she has some rosettes that she made. Are these? She used like the snowflake rosette, but like, I mean, if you decorate it, it honestly probably wouldn't look like a snowflake. So thank you for all the different shaped rosettes. These are really cute. I cannot wait to embellish these. So she's gifted those. And I think these are her 4 embellishments. In the back here, she has some bows, and they have the bead dangles. Again, can't go wrong with the bows. And I love her dangles. Look how pretty the bead caps are. I don't know if you guys can see that gold bead cap on here. So pretty. So she's gifted 4 of those. She has a set of 4 bows. And then she also has little starburst embellishments. I love making these. I don't know if I have my process video out of these for Halloween last year. But anyway, I do love making them. I've been making them for a couple years now, and I am going to have to make some for garden party because these turned out too cute. I love how it turned out. I'm all over here, like all up in it, and then you guys can't even see it. So there's that one, and then here's the other set. Yeah, and they're very dimensional, and she added some eyelash trim to 2 of them, and then some gold thread behind the other ones. So those are really fun. And that was in the middle pocket. And then that was everything from Stacy for her entry. Thank you, girl, for playing. I really do appreciate you for playing along. I do love everything that you sent me. Everything was just so pretty, especially this. This is really cute. I've never received one of these, so that's why I asked. Just for extra entries, if you did want to do a 3D project, you can, and it's so that way I can display it in my craft space because I don't have anything to display my own stuff, and why would I want to do that? So anyway, that is Stacy. That is Stacy's entry. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing everything that she has made. Again, check her out. I will have all her info linked down below. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.